Let's talk about the goals and learning objectives for Volume 4. On this course, we fully explore the current and possible future endpoint protection technologies used in cybersecurity. Plus, at the end, we cover the important topics of email and messenger security. You will master the selection and implementation of appropriate disk and file encryption technology. You will learn how disk encryption is attacked and how to mitigate those attacks. You understand the current antivirus, anti-malware, and endpoint protection software suites that are available and how they work, how to select the best products, and how to implement them successfully. We look at the next generation of antivirus, endpoint protection, endpoint detection and response software suites that are available and coming in the future. You will learn, importantly, how the various endpoint protection technologies can work in synergy to provide defense in depth. We fully cover all the varying technologies offered by endpoint protection software, both traditional and next generation. You'll learn about application control, execution prevention, whitelisting, about security frameworks and how to implement them to increase the security of the endpoint. You will learn how we can detect and monitor for threats such as malware and hackers through the use of honeypots, traps, tokens, intrusion detection systems, and file integrity monitors. We then have fun learning how to seek and destroy system-resident malware and hackers, covering as usual Windows, Mac, and Linux. And for each of those operating systems, you will learn effective methods to find suspicious processes and how to find and remove malware and hackers' methods of maintaining persistence. You will learn how to form operating system and application hardening to decrease their attack surface, covering manual and automated hardening standards, and auditing. You will know how to securely delete data and metadata so that it is unrecoverable by even computer forensics using anti-forensic techniques, covering the important differences between mechanical and solid-state drives and recovery media. We move away from endpoint protection and onto the important topic of email security, privacy, and anonymity. We start by understanding email clients, protocols, authentication methods, and email weaknesses. Then, how to mitigate those weaknesses. You will learn about PGP, encryption, remailers, how to choose a secure email provider, and secure email alternatives. Finally, on this course, you learn how to choose and evaluate the best mobile and desktop messengers that support effective security, privacy, and anonymity, covering instant messengers, video and voice messengers on mobile, desktop applications, iOS and Android. As usual, for all the topics, we cover all the major platforms, Windows, Mac and Linux, and where appropriate, iOS and Android. If you want to know more about the previous volumes from this course, check out the bonus lectures at the end to understand how they all fit together in one complete course. This is Volume 4 of your complete guide to cybersecurity, privacy and anonymity. So let's get going on the course.